In this video, I'll show you how to create Docusign documents with conditional sections step by step so you can build smarter, more dynamic workflows. Start by logging into your Docusign account and selecting Start or choosing a template from your dashboard. Templates are useful because they help maintain consistency and save time when working with recurring documents. After selecting or uploading your document, add recipient details and click Next to open the editor. Begin by placing the required fields like text, drop-downs, or checkboxes. Then, use conditional logic by linking certain fields to others, so specific sections only appear when a condition is met, such as a checkbox being selected or a drop-down value chosen. This helps keep documents clean and relevant for each signer. Configure rules carefully and test your setup to ensure it works as expected. Always review before sending to avoid errors. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.